My name is Rob Lyons. I'm an IT director. I handle mission-critical applications for retail operations. I hired Integrative to try to solve essentially staff aug issues we've been having. However, in entirety, it was really to provide teams to solve real problems that the business was having. Integrative has been a good support for me personally in my career by completing projects on time, on budget, also presenting new innovative ideas, helping me modernize my team's platform. They've been able to provide the right people with the right knowledge set, and those people are always do whatever it takes type of resources. Integrative resources have provided us technical lead capabilities, business analysts, as well as developers from the most experienced down to specific technology. We're able to use a combination of onshore, offshore resources at different levels that fill out our project teams and are able to deliver. The communication channels for Integrative's resourcing model has worked out really well for us. We get great affinity by working with the on-site folks. They gain great business knowledge by being in meetings and being on the same schedule. And the offshore team is able to adjust their schedule to our needs. I personally like working with Integrative because their values align with my values and my company's values. Integrative is an agile firm with large firm capabilities. They've helped us move along in our technology growth, leveraging existing technology and resources, and also setting a roadmap for the future. Integrative Systems also works in other areas of our business, other technical areas being the Microsoft.NET stack. Integrative has allowed us to move a significant application to a web-based platform. With Integrative's help, we've been able to handle multiple projects. We've been able to meet our goals. We've been able to come in under budget. And I think the greatest benefits I've received from Integrative is a long-term partnership, consistency, good value, good work. Integrative has gone the extra mile for me in almost at every turn. They provide people and tactics and strategy that align across the board. Because they're very transparent and honest. Yeah, I highly recommend Integrative, especially for the iSeries IBM i technologies and the .NET Microsoft world.